This is benchmarking. Here you can gather data and insights on the revenue performance of battery energy storage assets across the market and on an asset-by-asset basis. Let's take a look around. Benchmark, Leaderboard and Asset Explorer are all updating live, so you can see how the market plays out as it happens. First up, you might check the BESS index up here, which will give you the average value of the index over the period you're looking at. In the chart, bar stacks show you when assets are earning revenues and which markets these revenues are coming from. You can toggle these on and off to drill down into particular markets. You can also see how the BESS indices for 1 hour and 2 hour systems are tracking. You can do this over any time frame you like. If you want to know how we calculate the BESS index, head to our methodology here. Back on the overview, if you scroll down, you can see how the GB fleet of batteries looks today, in terms of the number of sites, installed megawatt capacity, and megawatt hours of energy, as well as the players in the GB battery energy storage market. Asset owners and operators are listed along with the operational megawatts they have in their portfolios. Do you want to see how much each asset is making? Let's take a look. In Asset Explorer, you can see the market split of revenues for each battery energy storage asset in the Modo Energy database, plus who owns and operates it. But wait, there's more. You can find any balancing mechanism registered unit on here. We're talking wind, solar, CCGTs and more. Either scroll down to go through the list or refine your search by technology type, operator lead party or direct search. Then click on an asset to dive into its physical operation. You can change the delivery date to see how their operation changes from day to day. That's it for now, but if you have any questions you can contact the team via the live chat button in the bottom right. I'll see you next time.